Hello, digital detectives, and welcome to another Fix My Problem challenge. I've got a brand new riddle in the form of a common PC problem that I'd like to share with you. I'm working on a system that freezes after booting. The operating system loads, but then everything goes unresponsive, no mouse movement, no keyboard response. However, just to keep you guessing, I've noticed a peculiar thing. This freezing issue only happens when the machine is wired to the internet. I've got all my essential security updates installed and the antivirus software doesn't detect any malicious activity. The mystery deepens, doesn't it? Could it be a nasty bit of malware that the standard antivirus is not picking up? Maybe a software conflict/codependence with the internet connection? Now, your challenge is to use that brilliant troubleshooting brain of yours. Think out of the box and come up with a plausible cause for this issue. No hints this time, folks. But as always, no issue is too great for our community of dedicated PC troubleshooters. Post your thoughts and solutions in the comment section. I look forward to hearing your inventive and creative solutions to this latest riddle. Remember, this is not just a challenge. It's a learning curve for all of us, where we get to understand the nitty-gritty of troubleshooting PC issues. Stay tuned for the reveal in the follow-up video. I'll solve this enigma for you and showcase how I approached the issue. Trust me, I'm as excited to know your diagnosis as I'm sure you are to hear mine. Let's get those gears turning and dig up some potential solutions. Until next time, digital detectives, keep your minds sharp and your CPUs cooler. Exciting times are ahead. We'll uncover the mystery causing the freeze together.